I myself, Pradeep Armakre, belongs to the College Arts, Commerce and Science, Malegaon. Today we study about the yellows of flower. Flower is divided into two different worlds. First one is known as the essential world and second one is known as the accessory world. So the structure of flower means what the reproductive structure of angiosperm or flower. These structures all evolve as a modification of leaves. Just like in a last slide, we discussed about that flower is divided into two different worlds. First of all, one is known as the essential and second one is known as accessory. So first of all, we discuss about the accessory whorls. Accessory whorl is divided into two whorl again. One is known as the sepals and second one is known as the petals. A whorl of sepals is known as calyx and whorl of petals is known as corolla. All evolve as a modification
the
of
calyx,
leaves,
if
which
the
is
sepals
divided
are
into
free
sepals or petals are free, then this is known as the sepals are free, then this is known as the polycephalus.
Then flowers,
If it is
which is
fused, then this is
pollinated by the
known as
different pollinating
ganocephalus.
agents,
Like that, petals are free, known as the
like
polypetalus.
air,
If they are fused, then this is known
like
as the
insect,
gamopetalus. After that,
like birds,
essential whorls are one is known as
and
the
so
angiosperm
on.
and second is known as gynosia, gynoecium and androecium. Androecium is a male reproductive organ of a flower consisting of anthers and filament, and gynoecium is the female reproductive flower known as the carpel also, and it is divided into style, stigma, and ovary. So the flower which is pollinated, first of all, what is the meaning of pollination? Transfer of pollen grain from the anther to their stigma. Then this is known as the pollination. Pollination are of two types. One is known as the self-pollination and second is known as cross-pollination. So what is the meaning of self-pollination? It is the transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of the same flower or another flower of the same plant. Then this is known as self-pollination. And what is the meaning of cross-pollination? Cross-pollination means it is the transfer of pollen grains from anther of one flower to the stigma of another flower of same kind of the plant, and this is known as cross-pollination. So the pollination takes place with the help of different pollinating agents like insect. If the pollination takes place with the help of insect, then this is known as the entomophile. Like birds, if the pollination takes place with the help of birds, then this is known as the ornithophile. Thank you. Thank you once again.